750 gallons of water.
The CMAC device.
Press flashing button.
Hi, my name is Brad McGee. I'm one of the captains with the Fire and EMS department, and today we're going to be talking about our AEDs that are around the city of Maplewood. So with any AED, first, if you recognize that somebody is in cardiac arrest, make sure that you call 911 and send somebody to get an AED. You can start CPR if the patient doesn't have a pulse and they're not breathing. So once the AED becomes available, it's as easy as opening it up. The AED will tell you exactly what to do.
Remove all clothing from patient's chest.
So the patient's completely clear of any clothing.
Red handle to reveal pads.
You can see we have our
Look at
pads.
pictures on pads. Apply pads to bare skin, exactly as shown in the pictures. Press pads firmly.
This one goes on the side here, right where it says.
Do not touch patient.
Now that they're on, it will analyze, so don't
Analyzing
touch.
heart rhythm. Everyone clear. Press flashing button. Shock delivered.
It's been given,
Provide chest compressions to the beat.
and then you'll get going.
The heel of one hand should be in center of chest.
Push hard and
Push
fast,
down hard, at least 2 inches.
and you can listen for the metronome that's in the
Provide 2
AED,
breaths.
and it will guide you for the entire time that the AED is applied and on.
Provide 2 breaths.
So with this machine, it will tell you to do breaths and it will give you that prompt. We don't recommend that you have to do that. You can continue to just do continuous CPR, just compressions only to the beat of the metronome. Over the years, we've been able to save countless lives with these AEDs, with partnerships around our community and people taking action to utilize them to get them on as quick as they possibly can. Every single year, we have patients that go into cardiac arrest around the community, and we count on each of you to be able to help support them and to be able to apply these quickly to save lives.